HarleyHunters.com welcomes you to our community and a way of life. You will find we are more than just some classifieds ad site. Our community will constantly offer fresh content in the form of valuable resources, news articles, tech tips, contest, newsletters, event calendars and more. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us at info@harleyhunters.com, and we encourage you to sign up for our mailing list newsletter for future events, great articles, and free offerings. Buy, sell, trade everything related to the Harley-Davidson way of life at harleyhunters.com, your source to reach millions of potential targeted buyers and sellers in your market. Our community offers free classified ads to post and view for all Harley-Davidson models, new or used, including customs, choppers, Indians and more. List classified ads for custom parts and accessories, riding gear, clothing and event rentals, to name a few. Post and view free personal ads to meet riding buddies, events, friends, or find your perfect match in our Harley Personals network. Dealers, don't get burned. Harley Hunters offers you so much more for your advertising dollars. Thousands of individual buyers tell us all the models they are interested in buying. When a new bike is posted, a search is made for all the buyers looking for that particular model. Each buyer is sent an email message with the details of the ad and a link to your listing. Try and get your local newspaper or any print publications to do that. Featured listings, benefits gives your listing exposure to targeted motorcycle enthusiasts at the top of all listing pages. Better placement gives your listing priority, higher placement within categories, over other classifieds and auctions. Attention getters allows sellers to draw special attention to their ads by selecting one of our attention getter images. Listing extras add additional indicators to your listing to attract more attention from potential buyers on site. Social Connect make your ad go viral on Facebook, Twitter, Craigslist, YouTube. Big time social benefits. Video and listings have your listing pop and stand out from others with YouTube video feature upgrade.